So I'm doing a print that requires 4 colour changes, starting off with black is already loaded, then I'll be moving on to yellow. I've already prepared the end, and then on to white. So I'm keeping the rolls conveniently placed and ready to go. I've got a pair of clippers ready and waiting just in case I have difficulty putting the filament into the extruder, because the trick of this filament change is to be quick.
Audubon 2456.
So I'm going to pause, and as soon as it starts moving it off, I'm going to eject the filament. Get the yellow. I've got about 1 minute before the stepper motors stop. When the stepper motors stop, you get layer shift. Now I'm gonna resume print. It's 163 degrees, the hot end. I'm gonna wait till it goes above 200 and then give it a push, and then clear the nozzle if there's any excess filament. 190, 200. Give it a little push manually to make sure it's all the way in. Try and clear the nozzle. The nozzle's nice and clear, so it should resume.